Before you replace a tired appliance, pause and ask, could a simple repair do the job? Repairing your cooker, washing machine, or fridge often costs far less than buying new, and it keeps perfectly good appliances out of landfill, cutting e-waste and saving the resources and energy needed to manufacture replacements. By swapping worn seals, filters, or heating elements instead of scrapping the whole machine, you extend its life, reduce your carbon footprint, and support local repair and spare parts businesses. Shop at electro-spares.co.uk. So next time something fails, think repair first. It's better for your wallet and better for the planet.